If you are looking for the best dog seat belt, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1. Vastar 2 Packs Adjustable Pet Seat Belt. These durable, nylon seat belt safety leads are a great way to keep your dog safe in the car. The adjustable strap length adjusts to your dog's unique shape and size. This dog seat belt is comfortable for your pet while also keeping them safe. This dog seat belt is designed for comfort in mind. The metal buckles and swivel snap clips will not rub against your dog but are still strong and durable to keep them secure. Number 2. Pawaboo Dog Safety Vest Harness. Due to the included harness, this dog seat belt ranks as our pick for the best and safest dog harness for cars. The harness is what sets this one apart because it provides a sturdier hold on your dog without the risk of choking. Plus, its adjustable straps allow you to customize the fit so it's just right for your dog. This harness comes in multiple sizes, making it perfect for puppies and small, large dog breeds. Number 3. OMorc Dog Seat Belt. If you don't take your dog around with you very often, you don't want to keep the seat belt in the car at all times, do you? In this case, you need one that can be easily attached and then detached when you are taking your pooch out. Well, this is just the seat belt for you, then. See, it fits neatly into your seat belt clip holder in your rear seats, which means that all it takes is one click to secure your pup. Number 4. Sophies Dog Car Harness. One thing that sets this harness apart from others is all of the available size variations. You will be able to find pup neck sizes from 14 inches onwards up to 28 inches for the neck and 44 inches for the girth. Each size of this model is adjustable. This means that you will easily be able to fit most medium and large dogs. If you have a toy breed though or a rather young pooch, you may find that this harness doesn't fit them as well or will be too long. Number 5. Mighty Paw Safety Belt. This seat belt has been designed with safety in mind. See, it attaches to the crease in your back seat, ensuring that the belt is directly fixed to the vehicle frame. Due to this construction, you can be quite sure that your pooch is tethered to something strong and secure. This provides them with a greater base of support, particularly if you were to brake too hard. In the same vein, the other thing that adds strength to this safety belt is the carabiner. It is made from aviation aluminum to ensure durability. Details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.